Hey guys, thanks for checking back in with us again. So, last week we showed you how to do patio pulled pork. The pork we do whenever, we got friends coming over, want to throw down some barbecue sandwiches, something like that. You want to check out that video, the link's right here. So this week, we're going to take that same pulled pork we made last week, turn it into barbecue grilled cheese, okay? So here we go. The way we're going to start is we're going to take some of that pulled pork, we're going to drop it on the flat top. Hit it with a little barbecue sauce and just mix it up. Just kind of caramelize that sauce, heat that meat back up. Get it ready to go. While that's heating up, we're going to take our bread, hit it with a little mayonnaise. Now your grilled cheese purists out there are gonna look at me and say, hey, aren't you supposed to be using butter? Well, guess what? Fat is fat. And I was a butter guy for a long time on the grilled cheese, right? Believe it or not, I told my wife she was crazy the first time she put mayonnaise on her grilled cheese. But come to find out, it works. Gives you a more crisp outside than the butter does. The fat is just transferring to the bread, helping it crisp up, and gives you a little bit more flavor in my opinion. Now, if you want to use butter, I'm not telling you you can't. I'm not telling you you're wrong. I'm just telling you I like this better. So that's how we're going, okay? So we've got both of our bread on the grill, butter size down. Our barbecue's nice and hot, sauced up. We're gonna go ahead, top that sandwich. And then we're coming right behind it with two slices. One slice of pepper jack and one slice of smoked Gouda. That pepper jack's gonna give us a little bit of heat. That Gouda is gonna be nice and creamy. Gonna get us all done, right? Grab my spatula, throw a little oil down just to make sure we're still not sticking, and give her a press. Turn it over. Give her a press. Get that meat heating up. Keep that cheese melting, keep it moving so we don't blacken the backside of that bread. I like to turn my grilled cheeses a few times just to make sure I'm not getting too black on the backside of the bread, but I'm still creating that grilled cheese crust that we like so much. And after a few minutes, check that cheese, make sure she's melting, and there you have it, the barbecue grilled cheese. All right, guys, sandwiches are ready. Jump in.
All right, let's taste these. Awesome.
Grab you one, Bert.
That's so good.
That is really good.
The Gouda and the pepper jack.
It's so good.
I'm not even flirting. This is probably the best grilled cheese I've had.
Thanks for stopping by today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and mash that notification button so you get notifications every time we pop out a video. See y'all soon.